Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. My name is Wenli. My mom used to fry these prawn buns for me to eat when I was young. So today I'm going to share this simple and easy snack with all of you. Try at home, okay? So these are the ingredients that we need for mini fried prawn buns. First, we remove the shell from the prawns, leaving the tail segment attached. Then we devein the prawn by making a shallow slit down the middle of the back and pull the small grey vein out of the prawns. Clean them and marinate the prawns with salt. Then set aside the prawns. Now, let's cut all the sides of the bread. Then we cut the bread into halves. Now we roll them flat. If you do not have a roller, you can use a round cup just like me. Wash the cup, wipe it dry, then roll. Now, we mix some corn flour with water to make it like starch. Place a piece of the flattened bread, then place one piece of prawn at the edge of the bread. Now we roll the bread and make sure the prawn is being wrapped in the middle tightly, leaving the tail sticking out at one end. Seal the edges with the starch mixture. Now we are ready to fry them. Let's heat up the oil in the wok. Slowly place the mini prawn buns into the wok. Turn and fry them until all sides are golden brown. We are done. We are going to eat this prawn bun dipped with my tartar sauce. Eating this brings back my childhood memory. Try at home and let me know, okay? Thanks for watching. See you again next week. Bye.